never made it, but I know what it takes.
Handlebars. Obviously, I'm gonna have to get some chrome controls, but oh shit, I forgot, man. I think they're like fat bob. I don't know what they're called. That's what I've always called them. So anyway, I'm getting ready to put them.
She ain't my standing go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from
There you go, Jess. Second step, man. Damn, it's been a rough day. Being pinched, it was holding everything together. It wasn't loose, so it was still making wires broke. Man, it was a pain in the ass. And it shorted the fuel gauge out because that was my dumb ass. Connected the battery, but there again, wasn't expecting the wire to break. But the moral of the story, if there's any chance of it being pinched, we got a BMW fixing to be on the channel here soon. My wife got it. We get the white car back on the road. We're gonna be getting the blue car up and going again. I've been talking so much. Jason Blair, New Addiction.